What if I told you that one small habit, just 15 minutes of walking a day, could dramatically improve your health, your mood, and your life after 60? No gym, no equipment, no complex routines, just you, your feet, and a bit of fresh air, or even a walk around your home. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by strict exercise plans or worried that you're too old or too tired to move more, this message is for you. Because walking, even for just 15 minutes a day, is one of the simplest yet most powerful habits you can build for lifelong health. Today, we'll gently explore what happens inside your body when you commit to this short daily walk, and why it's one of the best gifts you can give yourself after 60. Let's start walking through the benefits together. 1. Better heart health. Your heart is a muscle, and like all muscles, it needs regular movement to stay strong. Walking helps your heart pump blood more efficiently, reducing the strain on your cardiovascular system. For seniors, walking 15 minutes a day can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, raise HDL, good cholesterol, and improve overall circulation. Why is this so important after 60? Because aging can narrow blood vessels and stiffen arteries. Walking helps keep them flexible and open. Just ask George, 74, from Ohio. After his doctor recommended daily walking, his blood pressure dropped by 10 points in just 3 months, and he didn't have to take new medications. 2. Improved blood circulation. As we age, poor circulation becomes more common. Cold hands and feet, slow healing cuts, swelling in your legs. All signs of reduced circulation. A 15-minute walk boosts blood flow, especially to your legs, brain, and skin. This helps deliver oxygen and nutrients more efficiently throughout your body. Think of it like gently turning on a garden hose. The steady movement encourages better flow without overwhelming your system. 3. Lower blood pressure. Just a short walk can help lower blood pressure. When you move, your blood vessels expand and contract, making them more flexible. This natural movement reduces tension and allows blood to flow more easily, easing the pressure on your arteries. After 60, when blood pressure tends to creep up, walking becomes a simple, drug-free way to help regulate it. 4. Eases joint stiffness. Ever feel stiff when you get up from your chair, or wake up with aching knees or hips? Walking lubricates your joints. It gets the synovial fluid, your body's natural joint oil, moving, which helps reduce pain and stiffness. It also strengthens the muscles around your joints, offering better support and stability. For those with arthritis, it can make everyday movements feel smoother and less painful. Betty, 69, from Florida, started walking after dinner every day. She says her knees, which used to throb each morning, now feel less angry when she wakes up. Her doctor says walking likely helped ease inflammation. 5. Supports digestion. Walking after meals helps digestion by gently stimulating your digestive organs. This can prevent bloating, acid reflux, and constipation. As we age, digestion often slows down. A walk after lunch or dinner can help your body process food more efficiently. It's like telling your body, let's move things along, literally. 6. Helps balance blood sugar. After 60, our ability to manage blood sugar can change. Walking after meals helps move sugar from your bloodstream into your cells where it's needed. This is especially helpful for people with diabetes or prediabetes. Even a short walk after dinner can reduce blood sugar spikes and crashes, giving you more consistent energy and fewer cravings. 7. Boosts brain power and memory. Walking increases blood flow to the brain. This brings more oxygen and nutrients that your brain needs to stay sharp. Over time, walking can improve memory, reduce mental fog, and lower your risk of dementia. Studies show that seniors who walk daily have better cognitive function than those who don't, and you don't need to power walk or sweat buckets. Just a calm 15-minute stroll does the trick. 8. Improves mood and reduces anxiety. Movement releases endorphins, your body's natural feel-good chemicals. Walking can reduce anxiety, ease depression, and lift your spirits. Sunlight exposure during your walk also increases vitamin D, which supports mood balance and immune function. And the rhythm of walking itself, one step then another, is calming and meditative. It helps quiet the mind. 9. Strengthens immune function. Regular walking boosts the production of immune cells that help your body fight off illness. It also helps regulate inflammation, which plays a big role in chronic conditions. Even during cold and flu season, a short daily walk can improve your body's resilience and recovery. 10. Supports better sleep. Many seniors struggle with sleep. Walking helps regulate your body's circadian rhythm, your internal clock, especially if you walk in the morning sunlight. Walking reduces stress hormones like cortisol and increases natural sleep hormones like melatonin. Plus, when your body gets even mild activity during the day, it's more ready to rest at night. Bonus: manages chronic conditions daily. Walking helps manage conditions like type 2 diabetes, lowers blood sugar and improves insulin sensitivity. High blood pressure promotes heart health and vessel flexibility. Arthritis reduces stiffness and strengthens supportive muscles. Anxiety and depression boosts mood and reduces stress hormones. Osteoporosis strengthens bones through gentle weight-bearing activity. Walking is truly a form of medicine, and it has no negative side effects. When should you walk? There's no perfect time, but here are a few helpful tips. Morning walks help set your circadian rhythm, boost alertness, and get vitamin D. After meals, improve digestion and blood sugar balance. Evening walks reduce stress and prepare your body for restful sleep. Choose the time that fits best with your lifestyle. How to start safely. Wear comfortable, supportive shoes. Start on flat, even surfaces like sidewalks or indoor hallways. Begin with 5 to 10 minutes if needed, and work up to 15. Walk at a pace where you can still talk, but feel your heart gently working. Bring water if it's warm out. If you use a cane or walker, that's okay. Walking safely at your own pace still brings benefits. Posture and breathing tips. Keep your shoulders relaxed, not hunched. Look ahead, not down at your feet. Swing your arms gently to keep rhythm. Inhale through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Stay consistent. Link walking to an existing habit, like brushing your teeth or making morning coffee. Walk with a neighbor, friend, or grandchild. Use a pedometer or step tracking app to stay motivated. Keep a walking journal. Record how you feel each day. Even limited mobility can walk. If you can't go outside, walk inside your home. Use the hallway or walk laps around the kitchen. Seated marching or walking in place while holding a counter can also help. Every step counts. There's no too little. Final thoughts. One small habit, big results. Walking 15 minutes a day after 60 may not sound like much, but it can change everything. Better heart health, sharper memory, happier mood, easier digestion, more energy, better sleep. You don't need a gym, you don't need special gear, you don't even need to go far. Just commit to that gentle, daily habit, one step at a time. And as you keep going, you'll notice something powerful. You're not just walking for your body, you're walking for your confidence, your independence, your peace of mind. So tie your shoes, open the door, and give yourself the gift of 15 minutes. You deserve it. If this message encouraged you, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more inspiring health tips made just for you.